Peace be upon you and God's mercy and blessing. I am a developer. Welcome to the channel Understand It. Simply explained with Sama Ibrahim. Want to make a strong advertisement for your products without spending a lot of money? Looking for a model to showcase your products, but the timing isn't helping? Don't worry, I've got the quick magic solution for you. I know I haven't posted videos about artificial intelligence and AI for a while, so today I'm back with a surprise video, a very strong video. We'll see how we can use artificial intelligence or AI together to make professional advertisements and design images in either a modern and new style or an old style, whether using global models and famous texts, or even our personal photos or photos of colleagues or real people. All this without paying. Not a single pound, simply and completely free using just one tool. It means we won't use 34 different tools just to get things done. The image is professional, no. All this using just one tool, and with one word or one line of description, we can produce professional images, meaning we can promote our products easily and simply without wasting time, without spending money, without searching or using more than one site and more than one tool. We'll see this and more in today's video. But before we start, don't forget to mention God's name and send blessings on the Prophet. Peace and blessings be upon him. Let's begin. What's the site? This is the site I'm talking to you about. It's called Nano Banana. Nano Banana is a very powerful tool that allows us to use artificial intelligence to create professional images, whether you want to promote your products, make images for yourself, or do things related to your channel according to your work and the nature of your work. But what I'm sure of is that we will all come out of this video having gained a lot. I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is the site we will use together today. Let's see what the first thing is together today. Okay, the first thing I need is to start accessing it. I will start typing here in the Google search AI Studio Nano Banana. Then I will choose the first link that appears, which is Google Gemini. API, get your Gemini API key. I will start by selecting it. It will start to open this page as you can see. I will start by clicking here on Get Started. It will start to log me in here. Of course, I was already logged in or had accessed it. So if you haven't done that yet, you don't actually have an account. Creativity. Do it using your Gmail account. Okay, I'll start here normally and start using it. I'll tell it to try Gemini AI. Then we'll start to choose what? Try Nano Banana. We want to try Nano Banana. Let's go. What do I need to do? Let's start, for example. The first image, for example, I wish to perform Umrah, so I want to put my picture and tell him to place this picture of me standing in front of the holy Kaaba, which I hope God will grant me the opportunity to visit. Okay, let's get any picture from the internet. Let's enter here. I will start writing here. Of course, I'll switch to Arabic language and write pictures. Girls. Hijabs. For example, without showing the face, it's very nice. Okay, these images appeared for me. We'll start by choosing any image we want. I want to choose anyone. So we'll see which image we can use. Which picture will do? Let's take this picture. I will start by taking it. Of course, guys, when you choose any image, make sure you use your real photos. I choose this image here and start saving it normally. And I'll name it, for example, or name it girl or anything. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, we've done that. Let's go back here and I'll start uploading this image. I will start by saying before. And I'll come here, go to the download and choose the girl's picture and take it. Alright. Okay, I'll start writing here. I'll tell him, let's write it in our usual language, which for me is the ordinary Egyptian language. I'll start saying make. The girl is standing in front of the holy Kaaba. She is wearing an abaya and a white scarf, for example. Let's see if he will actually do this for me or not. Will I find it? Here, it's starting to load for me. There's a problem with my internet connection. Just a second. Let me check it and come back. I fixed my internet problem, so I'll come here and press to execute the command again. Guys, what I told him exactly, he did it, meaning if we come here and look at the picture here, Look, is this a picture of the girl? Of course, her features aren't clear because I took this picture. So let's take a look here. Her simple white clothes and white veil made her stand out in front of the Kaaba. The picture came out professionally. Okay, like this. Like a picture of me, for example. Do you want it? Okay, Sama, where's the part about work? Let's say I download a picture of a dress and a picture of a girl from the internet, and we put them together to see how they fit. So as not to take too much time from the video, I'll pause it, download the pictures and come back to you. Here I downloaded a picture of this child and a Tom and Jerry t-shirt. And I'll start telling it that I want a picture of this boy wearing this t-shirt. Of course, I'm writing it down for you or using regular writing in a language. Regular, I didn't need to go anywhere or tell it to write me a script in English or specify a language. No, I'm doing it here. In my language, as you can see. Okay, Hamda, I'll tell it here. Here, for example, make the boy attached in the picture wearing a t-shirt, following the attached t-shirt in the picture, the other picture, and the boy standing at the Eiffel Tower. About the Eiffel Tower, that's enough. Let's try and see what it'll do here. And here I'll tell it the picture. Promotion board on the t-shirt. And let's run it and see the picture. Let's see how it turns out. Look guys, the picture is loading, but look with me. If I click here to enlarge it, the exact picture of the t-shirt. On the boy I chose, and in the background, the Eiffel Tower, just like I asked exactly. The picture is professional. So guys, if we take a look at it, yes, the picture is professional. Look at the t-shirt, everything. I mean, I don't want to say the pictures don't need any other tools. The boy wore the t-shirt exactly as I requested, and of course, we can download it. All of this, guys, is free and without cost. Okay, I really like this topic. So, for example, what should I tell it? Let's, for example, have this child make an advertisement for food or something. Wait, I'll get something from Google and come back to look at it together. I brought the same picture of this boy and this juice, and I'll start telling it here. The boy in the attached picture. Drink the juice. Attached in the picture. In a kitchen. For the purpose of an advertisement. This is about the juice product. Of course, guys, I don't need to tell you that I'm writing in a way that, zero professionalism. I mean, I'm writing in my regular language as if I'm talking to an ordinary Egyptian person. So let's see if it will actually produce the result for me or not. Look, guys, here is the picture, right? Come and see the product picture I told it about. The child is really standing in a kitchen. Look, everyone, see how he's holding it? Just look. Look at the kitchen. The picture is professional. No, the picture is professional. I don't need to do anything to it. Of course, I can tell it to give me the credit I want, but I don't see anything that needs editing. Really, whether you're making food at home and you need, for example, to make a picture and upload it to your page, selling products, selling clothes, selling shoes, selling watches, selling anything that changes, guys, honestly, what should we tell it to wear the t-shirt? Let's pick another t-shirt and, for example, what else should I tell it? And shoes other than the ones and a watch, for example. Let's give it a try, guys. I uploaded a picture of the boy and a new picture, the new t-shirt and the picture of these shoes and the watch. Let's see if it can actually do it for me or not. I'll start giving it instructions. Let the boy include it in the picture, attached in the picture, wearing the t-shirt and the shoes and the watch and be whale in a store. Expensive clothes, for example. Is it for promoting luxury clothes? For the 3 product, let's also see, guys, if it will generate it or not. It's loading now, guys. Seriously, it's amazing. Can you imagine what we're doing? Can you actually imagine? This will save a lot of work for many people. Guys, there are people who pay amounts. I know people who pay others to do these things for them. So we're going to save a lot, a lot, a lot. Does anyone know people who offer services on Facebook? Anyone offering any product? Please guys, send me this video. Let's take a look together. Look at the exact t-shirt I sent, even though it's the best one. But you notice that here it's crumpled, and there it was exactly how the boy wore it. The exact same watch I sent. Let's bring up the exact shoes I sent, guys. Can you imagine all this? What did I use to do it? Using a leading command to do this. And is the load normal? All this using a line. You see a line where I uploaded several products capable of handling them together. So guys, let's do one last thing. Like bring a picture, for example, of Ismail Yassin and his son, and tell him to replace it with his son, and see what happens. Let's see what we're going to do here. I'll start by telling it to make. The boy in the picture is the one with the father, and let the picture be new and colored. And for example, sitting by the sea, or with a sea background or anything. Let's see if Farah can do it or not. It's the same picture. It's clear that the boy is really in Ismail Yassin's picture. Isn't he Ismail Yassin? Let's get closer too. That's the real question. May God have mercy on him, but that's not him at all. But did he show up as the boy in the picture? Is it possible to see Ismail Yassin in the previous picture? It wasn't clear. But guys, so far it's honestly impressive, especially in the part of promoting products, or for people who make special pictures for them, like your voice, for example. If you're in a certain place, maybe things that would make your grandmother happy, for example, with a picture of her with someone who passed away or something specific. So all these things we can do. I really like the site, and we can really produce professional work from it, as you saw in the previous pictures. The output is completely professional. I used to do it using multiple programs, using paid programs. No, all this and more we did completely free with one line of code. What code do you need? Just one line, one sentence, and I wrote it in your language, my language, unlike other sites. I used to go to my place and ask it to write for me in a specific language, in a specific format, with a specific description. No, it was all simple and easy. I hope today's video was simple, easy, and you liked it. See you in the next video in good health. If you liked today's video, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done it yet, leave me a nice comment or a beautiful prayer for you beautiful people. And don't forget to share with anyone who might need this video. And I'll meet you in the next video in good health and safety.